Welcome to Math Plus of Lecture 3. Dear student, how are you? I hope you are quite well. Last class we are introduced the Roman from 1 to 10. Today we are going to learn how to write 11 to 20 numeral in Roman from. Let's to practice written the Roman number. We remember that 1 is written as I. 1 is written as I. 5 is written as V. 10 is written as X. 4 is written as IV. 9 is written as IX. So 1 is written as I. 1 is written as I. 5 is written as V. 10 is written as X. And two special digit 1, 4, IB, and another special digit 9, IX. Okay. Now we introduce 11 to 20. We practice how to write 11 to 20 numeral in Roman from. Okay, students. 11, 12, 13, 11. 10 plus 1. 10 is written X and 1 is written I. So 11 X I. 10 plus 1 X I. 12. 10 plus 2. 10 is written X and 2 is written 2I. So 12 is written X 2I. 13. 10 plus 3. 10 is written X and 3 is written 3I. So 13 is written X 3I. 14. 10 plus 4. 10 is written X and special digit 4 IV. So 14 is written X IV. 15. 10 plus 5. 10 is written X and 5 is written V. So 15 is written as X V. 16. 10 plus 6. 10 is written as X and 6 is written as VI. So 16 is written as XVI. 17. 10 plus 7. 10 is written as X and 7 is written as V2I. So 17 is written as XVI2I. 18. 10 plus 8. 10 is written as X and 8 is written as V3I. So 18 is written as XV3I. 19. 10 is written as X and another special digit 9 IX. So 19 is written as XIX. And 20. 10 is written as X. Here 10 plus 10. So XX 2X. Okay. We say again. 11, 10 plus 1, that is XI. 10 is written as X and 1 is written as I. XI. 12 X2I. 12 X2I, that is 10 plus 2. 13 X3I. 13 X3I. 13 X3I, that is 10 plus 3. 10 is written as x and 3 is written as 3i. So 13x 3i. 14 xiv. 10 plus 4. 15 xv. 10 plus 5. 16 xvi. 17 xv2i. 18 xv3i, that is 10 plus 8. 10x and 8 v3i, so 18 xv3i. 19 10 plus 9. 9 is special digit. We can written the special digit 9 I x. Had 10 plus 9, so 10 is written as x and special digit 9 is written as I x. So 19 is written as x I x. 20 10 plus 10. 10 is written as x and again 10 is written as x, so 20 double x. Okay, dear student, I hope all of you are understand. Now you practice more and more, and I hope you can easily solve your lecture sheet exercise. Okay student, thank you all. Bye.